Imagine you're merging onto a busy highway and your car struggles to pick up speed, leaving you vulnerable to traffic. This scenario highlights why acceleration is crucial for both convenience and safety. Slow acceleration can make everyday driving frustrating and dangerous, especially in situations requiring quick speed increases like passing or avoiding collisions. Several general factors affect a car's ability to accelerate, and understanding them can help identify potential issues. Think of the engine as the car's muscle. Like a strong athlete sprinting, a more powerful engine can push the car forward faster. Heavier cars, like those loaded with cargo, require more power to accelerate, similar to carrying a heavy backpack while running. Cars with better aerodynamics, like sleek sports cars, cut through the air more efficiently, reducing resistance and aiding acceleration, like a swimmer gliding through water. Proper tire pressure and good traction are crucial. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, making it harder to move, like walking on sand. These factors interact to determine how quickly your car can speed up, and any imbalance can lead to slower acceleration. If your car is taking longer to accelerate, I'll further explain the most common mechanical issues. The air filter is like the car's nose, letting air into the engine for combustion. If it's clogged, it's like breathing through a straw, restricting airflow. This leads to a lean air-fuel mixture, reducing engine power and slowing acceleration. Regular maintenance, like replacing the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, can prevent this. Tires are like the car's shoes. If they're underinflated, they have more rolling resistance, making it harder to move forward, like trying to run with flat shoes. This can slow acceleration, and checking tire pressure monthly can help, ensuring it's at the recommended PSI. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in the engine, creating explosions that push the pistons. If they're worn, it's like having a weak spark in a campfire. The fire doesn't burn hot enough, leading to incomplete combustion and reduced power, causing slow acceleration. Replacing spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type, can fix this. The fuel system delivers fuel to the engine, like providing food for energy. If the fuel injectors are clogged or the fuel pump is malfunctioning, the engine doesn't get enough fuel, like trying to run a race without eating, reducing acceleration. Regular fuel system cleaning can help, and symptoms include hesitation when accelerating. The transmission changes gears to help the car go faster, like shifting gears on a bike. If it's not shifting properly, it's like having a bike with stuck gears. You can't pedal fast enough to speed up, leading to slow acceleration. This can be due to low transmission fluid or worn components, and professional diagnosis is recommended. The exhaust system removes waste gases, like a chimney venting smoke. If the catalytic converter is clogged or the muffler is malfunctioning, it's like having a blocked chimney. The engine can't expel exhaust efficiently, affecting performance and slowing acceleration. This can also trigger a check engine light, requiring professional inspection. These issues can accumulate over time, especially in older vehicles, and may not always trigger a check engine light, making regular maintenance crucial. Slow acceleration isn't just annoying, it can be dangerous. If your car struggles to speed up, it might not respond quickly enough in traffic, like when merging onto a highway or avoiding a sudden obstacle. This can increase the risk of accidents, especially in high-speed situations. For performance, a sluggish car can make driving uphill or passing other vehicles frustrating. If you notice your car taking longer to accelerate, start by checking simple things like tire pressure and air filter condition. However, for more complex issues like transmission or fuel system problems, consult a professional mechanic. They can diagnose the issue using tools like an OBD scanner and recommend repairs, ensuring your car's safety and reliability. Don't ignore the problem, as it could lead to more expensive repairs down the line. In conclusion, slow acceleration in a car can stem from various issues, from a clogged air filter to transmission problems, each affecting engine power and safety. By understanding these common causes, you can take proactive steps, like regular maintenance, to keep your car performing well. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek professional help.